Okay, so welcome to all of you into the grammar session, and today we are going to discuss the active passive. So in the previous sessions, we have already discussed the rules and everything of the active passive. So today, what is in our agenda? So let's discuss. Okay, Busha, can you tell me, dear, what we have discussed in the last class?
We have discussed to make passive voice in case of whether there is no subject, no object, or imperative sentence.
We have already discussed all these things.
Yes, ma'am.
We have already discussed all these things. Okay, so
Yes.
okay. I'm giving one sentence. So just make the let me do this work. Let me do this
Uh,
work.
Let this work be done by
Let
me.
this work be done by me. Okay, obey your elders.
Obey your elders. You are suggested to obey your elder.
No, your elders should be respected. Yeah, your elders should
Okay.
be obeyed. Okay.
Your
Please bring
elders.
me a glass of water.
You are requested to bring me
Bring
a
me a
glass of
glass of
water.
water. Okay, so we have already discussed all these things.
Yes.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss one quiz.
Okay.
Okay. So today it's an assessment day. So today we are going to discuss the quiz because we already
Quiz.
discussed. Okay. So now what is in this quiz? This quiz is entirely based. Today we will play two quiz. One is this one, and second we will play the difficulty level is little bit higher. Okay. So the quiz one,
Okay.
the question one, guys. Now please ready with your diary and the pen, and then there are the two options, option A and option B. Okay. So in this you have to just check which is the correct option. Which is the correct option.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please note down the only option. No need to write the full sentence. Okay. Some
Football is
sem
a popular sport.
some
It
sentences
is
are written in active, some sentences are written in passive. But you yourself check if which sentence you have to crack in the passive or in the active. Okay,
Okay.
just write down the option. No need to write the full sentence. Okay.
Okay.
Second, many movies dash in Hollywood every year.
Ma'am, we have to only fill this options
Yes, yes,
one
yes, yes, yes.
from the
You just write down, this is question number two. So just write down question number two and just write down the option. Okay.
ma'am. Please before slide, ma'am.
Yeah, this we will play two quiz. This is simpler one, and after that we will play some difficult one.
This is ma'am active. We have to make it into passive voice now.
No, 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 no. You just have to check which option comes into this film.
Acha, suitable
Yes,
option. We
yes,
have to choose.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Football is a popular sport.
okay, done. Next, done. Next. I often go to the library and ask some books to read. Which option seems to be more appropriate? Done. Next. Done. Next. Done.
Yes.
Next. Next. New Year's Day dash on January 1st in most countries of the world. Is celebrated or celebrates. Next. 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 Our newspaper dash every morning before 8 o'clock is delivered or delivers. Next. Next.
Excuse ma'am, before once.
Yeah. Next. 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 Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Okay, done? Anyone
Yes.
who has left any number, please let me know.
Actually, numbering wrong हुआ तो पता नहीं.
Okay, chalo, let's move to the answers. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay.
second I don't have.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Okay, so what is the first? Is played. Those who have written is played, please assign 1 marks.
Is played.
Okay, great. What is the second?
Are made.
Are made. Very good. Many movies
अच्छा,
are
वो
made
तो
in
मैंने लिखा ही
Bollywood.
नहीं था.
Next, borrow.
Ball.
Borrowed.
Harsha,
Wrong हुआ मैडम.
Oh, okay. Next, our
Third
office
type.
is cleaned.
Is cleaned by.
Is cleaned by.
Is cleaned by. The restaurant chef cooks really good
Cooks.
food.
Cooks.
Correct.
New Year's Day is celebrated.
Is
Celebrated.
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 मैम fly once रह गया. Fly इसके पहले था.
Sit,
Okay, okay, okay. This one?
fly, fly.
हाँ,
Fly,
fly.
fly.
Fly आएगा.
Millions
हाँ.
of people fly.
Fly.
Sometimes my older sister
Helps.
helps me.
Helps.
This
Helps.
sentence is written under which voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Active voice.
Active voice. Active
Active.
voice.
हाँ.
Active.
correct.
Next.
Is known.
Is
Is
known.
known.
Is known. वह जाना जाता है. अगर होता ना
है.
he knows. अगर लिखा होता he knows, तो इसका मतलब वह जानता है.
जानता है.
लेकिन हमारे को क्या बोलना है? वह जाना जाता
वह
है.
जाना. पूरे
तो-
वर्ड में वो जाना जाता है.
हाँ, so he is known. Passive. Passive. Next.
Are given. Are given.
Are given. Next. Most people speak Norwegian.
Speak.
Speak.
Is delivered.
Delivered.
Is delivered. Very good. Is delivered. Our newspaper is delivered.
Delivered.
Take.
I take.
I take a shower.
हाँ.
I take a shower.
Knows.
Nose.
Next क्या है? What is the next?
Knows. Knows.
Yes, very good. My classmate knows the answer. Sports fisherman catch.
Catch.
Catch fish. Why it is catch?
Catch पकड़ता है.
But why it is catch? Why it is not catches?
Fisher, MEN is plural.
MEN.
Any and
Because it is
MN.
fisherman.
Plural.
हाँ, it's
Plural.
fisherman.
हाँ, yes.
It's a plural.
हाँ.
Cats eat mice.
Is fixed by.
It is fixed by.
Are fed by.
By the fed.
Are fed by.
Are fed by.
अगर आपने लिखा होगा fed by. No, sorry, अगर लिखा होगा सिर्फ fed.
Feed.
इसका मतलब-
Feed is गलत.
हाँ, feed
are
is wrong.
fed by.
Because क्या है? The
fed.
animals at the zoo are fed by. Animals जो zoo पे हैं उनको खिलाया जाता है. किसके द्वारा? जू कीपर के द्वारा.
Do. हाँ.
और अगर आप ये लिखते हैं the animals at the zoo feed, तो इसका मतलब एनिमल्स जो है वो
खाते
खिलाते
हैं.
हैं. नहीं भाई, उनको तो खिलाया जाता है.
हाँ, खिलाया जाता है.
So passive. Okay, so how many questions did you answer correctly? अगर 17 to 18 का स्कोर है excellent, 15 to 16 का स्कोर है तो
5,
good,
6, 7, 8, 9,
14 से
10,
less
11,
है तो you
12,
have
13,
to study.
14, 15, 16, 17. मैम एक हमने देखा नहीं था. आई हैव
Yes.
नॉट सेकंड
Okay.
वंस वो मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं था, वो छूट गया था, तो इसलिए
Harsha?
17 राइट
Okay,
है.
great. Harsha, what about
Ek
you?
One wrong.
One wrong. Okay, 17. What, Borsha?
18.
18. Very nice. Devyani? Acha, Devyani, I think. Okay, chalo. Let's move to the, yes,
Madam.
Devyani?
Madam,
Yes,
please.
ma'am. I am right now. I am cooking.
Acha,
I
you
just
okay.
listen and
Acha, you just
sometime I am.
listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because
And
today we are
ma'am,
going to discuss the assessment.
Yes. And ma'am,
Remember,
I
we
have
will
one doubt.
Yes.
Yes. May I ask?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I know how to change active to passive, active sentence and passive sentence. But when I make active to passive, so sometimes like I have to return any story. So at that time, sometimes we use a passive sentence in our story. So at that time, I can't make sentence in active wise. So what is the, and I didn't understand what will be the sentence meaning active. When I make active sentence now, that time I don't know what is meaning of active
Devyani,
passive sentence.
only the solution is that dear, you have to need lot of practice in that case. Only the practice. Practice makes you perfect here. Okay, this is the only, because if you know
Right.
the rules, so what else is left? Only the practice. So it means kahin na kahin there is a shortage of the practice. So if you know, and it is very good that you know your problem. So what you can do, instead of changing from active to passive, what you start doing from passive to active. Okay.
I didn't understand what will the meaning of passive sentence
What
when
is
I
the
make a meaning Marathi meaning. What is the meaning of Marathi when मतलब मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आता कि जब मैं पैसिव सेंटेंस बनाती हूँ तो उसका मतलब क्या निकलता है, उसका सेंस क्या निकलता है वो सेंटेंस
सेंस? तो
का।
बिल्कुल देखो, सेंस सेम होता है, सेंस सेम होता है। जैसे अभी मैंने बोला ना कि एनिमल्स फीड करते हैं, एनिमल्स, इफ यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन द सब्जेक्ट, एनिमल्स फीड करते हैं, तो दिस सेंटेंस इज रिटन इनटू सिंपल एक्टिव वॉइस, एनिमल्स फीड, एनिमल्स
हाँ,
फीड। लेकिन अगर आप बोलते हो एनिमल्स को फीड कराया जाता है, सो इन दिस
अच्छा,
केस वी आर एम्फेसाइजिंग ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट.
यस यस
So then in that case, you have to construct that sentence into passive. The
यस,
animals are fed, are fed.
आई नीड टू प्रैक्टिस मैम,
Yes,
राइट?
practice, only practice. Chalo, let's move
यस
to
यस,
this. Okay, so guys,
ओके,
now,
थैंक यू सो
okay,
मच
dear.
मैम।
Okay, now this is an quiz that is on the present continuous. Only the present continuous I'm going to take. I have written some verbs in the bracket, but you yourself.
रिवीजन थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर सकते हैं
हाँ
मैडम आप?
बिल्कुल रिवाइज करते हैं। चलो, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस। अच्छा लिखो, सिंपल। पहले मुझे बताओ, इफ यू हैव टू मेक द सेंटेंस इनटू प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस एक्टिव वॉइस, सो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर?
Subject, am,
सब
is, are, and ing
आउटपुट
form,
आएंगे।
verb, ing form, and object.
यस, वेरी गुड। लिखो, लिखो ये सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज एम आर, सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज एम आर प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हर्षा, मैं गाना गा रही हूं, क्या बनाऊंगे इसको इंग्लिश में?
आई
A
एम सिंगिंग ए
song,
सॉन्ग।
I am singing a song. Very good. I am singing a song. And present continuous, in which situation we have to use? We already discussed, whenever the action is going on.
Going.
जब वो हमारा काम चल रहा होता है। ग्रामर की क्लास चल रही है, बुर्शा।
The grammar class is going on.
Grammar class is going on because right now this action is going on. This action is going on. So we have to simple construct this sentence into present continuous. The rule is simple. Subject plus is am are plus verb की first form के साथ ing. अगर suppose करो, I have to convert this present continuous into
ma'am.
the passive.
In that case, I know how to change, how to make a passive sentence. I can make into passive, but in that case, I didn't understand what is the meaning passive sentence.
Yes. Devayani, that's why now we are saying कि you only work on English to English, but you didn't get the exact meaning of that thing. So you
Yes,
missed that thing, dear. But you should also know, because it English to English, it's okay, but you should know the exact meaning also. Okay?
yes.
Okay, right. So now, if I have to convert this sentence from active to passive, so what is the rule of making the sentences of present continuous in the passive? Borsha, what is the rule?
Object plus
Object का subject आ गया, then
is MR,
is
is
MR,
MR plus being,
being. Very good. Then being, 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 and then
then verb V3 form.
V3 form,
Yes.
and then
Then
subject का object.
subject.
Is MR plus being, एक extra word आएगा being and then V3 form. ठीक है, चलो, let's take. अब now you yourself guys check minutely कि this sentence comes under active or it comes under passive. इससे ये जो देवयानी का जो डाउट है वो भी क्लियर होगा। ठीक है, now
Ma'am,
for
thank you.
example, हाँ, the house dash at the moment. हाँ, बनाओ।
The house
Yes,
is
Harsha.
being built at the moment.
The house is being built at the moment. Very nice. इसका
Built.
मतलब क्या हुआ? हाउस को बनाया जा रहा है इस मोमेंट पर। हाउस को बनाया जा रहा है। अगर आप बोलते ना हाउस इज बिल्डिंग, तो उसका मतलब पता क्या होता? हाउस बना रहा है। हाउस कैसे अपने आप को खुद बना सकता है? चलो मैं ईंट रख लेता हूँ, मैं सीमेंट रख लेता हूँ। नो, हाउस को बनाया जा रहा है।
Yes, ma'am.
तो हाउस इज बीइंग बिल्ट। ठीक है, क्लियर?
Yes.
चलो,
Yes.
वेरी नाइस। ओके, यस, बोर्शा।
She Bake the bread now. She is baking the bread now.
She is baking the bread now because now देखो I already told you ना some signature words you have to use while making the continuous. So कौन कौन से हो गए जैसे at the moment हो गया, now हो गया, just now हो गया. So these are some signature words. Okay, so she is baking. वह bread अभी बना रही है. So here we are focusing on the subject. So that's why we have to construct this sentence into the active.
Active.
Yes. Preeti.
Now, my my husband in bed. My husband is reading.
Very good. My husband is reading in bed. My husband is reading in bed. अच्छा यहाँ पर on bed भी हो सकता था, in bed भी हो सकता है. Both the options are correct. But make sure mostly हम bed के साथ which preposition we have to use?
On the
On the bed.
On.
On the bed. But why we have put this? See. If there is a bed in which there is a armrest are there. जैसे chairs के armrest होते हैं ना. If bed में armrest are there, so in that case you are in the bed. You are in the bed. But if we consider our bedroom beds, there is no armrest. This is totally open. So then most of the time we say on the
on the bed.
on the bed. ठीक है, clear?
But there is no, ma'am, armrest.
हाँ, नहीं है, but still I have mentioned. क्योंकि sometimes in
Okay.
bed is also okay. In bed is also okay. Well, I didn't get the picture of armrest bed. Okay. Okay. Yes.
So if somebody will ask, we will give this explanation.
Yeah. Yes. Harsha.
Okay.
The
Harsha.
car is servicing right now. नहीं
कार इज सर्विसिंग राइट नाउ का मतलब पता क्या हुआ हर्षा?
कार
नहीं
खुद
ये
बोल
wrong
रही है।
कार
now
खुद सर्विस कर रही है अपनी.
कर रही
कार
कर
खुद
रही
से
है।
खुल गई, अरे मैं तो खराब हो
the
गई, चलो
car
मैं अपने
is
आपको.
being
हाँ.
serviced
Yes, the
right
car
now.
is being serviced right now.
Right now.
कार अभी सर्विस की जा रही है.
Hmm.
Yes. Devyani, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am. The workman is being built the walls now.
Okay.
Is-
Porsha, what's your input?
The
Is-
workmen are building walls now.
Absolutely
Is
right.
building.
No, देखो यहाँ
नहीं
पर आर
मैंने
नहीं है.
अच्छा मैंने
हाँ.
MEN
पिक्चर्स पे कंफ्यूज मत हो. पिक्चर्स मिली नहीं थी तो जो पिक्चर मिल गई वो लगा दी मैंने.
Okay,
ठीक है.
okay, okay, okay,
But
okay.
think about the content. Think about the text. Work में
But ma'am, there is a singular form. There is one man, na? So we
नहीं.
use
No. See the text. Workmen. MEN.
okay.
ठीक है. And workmen are building. Devyani, you cannot construct this sentence into passive.
Okay.
ठीक है. This is a simple active sentence.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Preeti.
Okay. A new drug is being tested.
Very nice. A new drug is being tested at the moment. नई ड्रग को टेस्ट किया जा रहा है.
क्या जा रहा है?
इस समय. बोर्शा.
The bread is being baked at the moment.
Very nice. The bread is being baked. ब्रेड को बेक किया जा रहा.
किया जा रहा है.
हर्षा.
the meal is serving right now.
The meal is being served.
हर्षा.
Served.
मील अपने आप
Being
को
served.
कैसे सर्व करेगा? मैं बन गया हूँ, चलो मुझे खा लो, मैं आ गया हूँ सबकी उसमें. नो, मील को सर्व किया जा रहा है. ठीक है हर्षा. मील is not a doer. If there is no doer, so you cannot construct that sentence into the active.
Okay,
मील
doer
is
is
being served. सपोज करो हर्षा मैं होती, मैं मील सर्व कर रही हूँ. Then
at that time.
I
Then I
am serving. I am serving.
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 Ma'am, how to identify this is we have to use we have to make active or passive. Can you share
दिव्यानी,
some?
ये बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है डियर. You have to attend the sessions from the beginning.
Okay.
Okay, because today is the last class of active passive.
Ma'am,
We
you
have
take,
to, no, we have to focus
ma'am,
the subject, na. Then we will get this is active or the passive.
Doer. We have to
ma'am,
Do
make
a
sure.
you
once.
start
Yes,
your
do a.
session at 8 o'clock?
No, today is
Today?
7:45.
Okay. That's why I joined late. I have
नहीं,
joined
today
late.
the today class is only assessment class. Already we have covered 4 sessions on an active passive.
Oh my God.
Okay, yeah.
So, ma'am,
My
Okay.
turn.
Okay, guys,
will you
please,
take again?
please. Okay, so let's start. Borsha,
My
The
turn.
photos are being developed now.
photos are
Yes.
being developed
Being
now.
developed.
Okay, Harsha,
The mechanic is being repaired our car.
Harsha.
The mechanic is repairing our car.
हाँ,
Sorry.
because there is a doer ना,
Mechanic is
doer है, यहाँ पर
doer is
doer है.
there.
कौन repair कर रहा है? Doer. So if the doer is there, you can construct that sentence into simple active.
Yes.
Yes, Devyani.
Yes. The children is laughing at the clown.
R.
Children
Sorry, the
के साथ
children
क्या
are.
आता है? The children
Children are.
are.
Yes, the
Child.
children
Child
are
is the singular.
laughing.
Yes,
Yes,
child is
yes.
the singular and children is the
Yes, yes.
plural.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes.
child are laughing at the clown.
Laughing at the clown.
Preeti.
Yes. My brother at the hospital. My brother is being examined.
Very nice. My brother is being examined. मेरे brother को examine किया जा रहा है.
किया जा रहा है.
If you are saying my brother is examining, no.
वो खुद ही
तो
कर रहा है.
हाँ, तो इसका मतलब या तो आपका brother doctor है, so in that case you can say. Okay, but right now the brother is a patient. Borsha.
They are visiting the zoo with
They are
their children.
visiting the zoo with their children. Very nice. Harsha.
A clown is laughing at by the children. I'll say wrong.
A clown is.
A clown is being laughed at by the children.
Yes, देखो by the children it's understood.
By the
A
children है.
clown is being laughed at. Laugh के साथ हमेशा एक preposition आता है at. A clown is being laughed at by the children. What is the Hindi translation?
मतलब क्लोन के द्वारा चिल्ड्रन को हंसाया जा रहा है.
A clown is being laughed by the children.
Yes.
Suppose करो sentence होता clown laughs at the children. Clown laughs at the children. What does it mean?
Clown हंस रहा है.
Yeah,
हंसता है.
clown is laughing. Yeah, clown is laughing at the children.
Means children.
Clown हंस रहा है
बच्चों
बच्चों
पर
पर.
हंस रहा है.
हंस रहा है.
क्लाउन बच्चों पर हंस रहा है. बट हमारा सेंटेंस क्या है? क्लाउन हंसाया जा रहा है. क्लाउन को हंसाया जा रहा है बच्चों
के द्वारा.
क्लोन के द्वारा हंसाया जा रहा है बच्चों.
हाँ, क्लाउन को हंसाया जा रहा है.
नहीं, क्लाउन के
नहीं,
द्वारा
बच्चों
नहीं,
को
क्लाउन.
हंसाया जा रहा है.
नहीं, इस
नहीं, बच्चों के
sentence
द्वारा
का.
क्लाउन को.
हाँ, बच्चों के द्वारा क्लाउन को हंसाया जा रहा है. मे बी
बाई द चिल्ड्रन है ना, बाई द द्वारा.
मे बी जो चिल्ड्रन है दे आर वेरी मिस्चीवियस. ठीक है, तो
Yes.
दे आर नॉट डूइंग दैट कि द क्लाउन विल डू हिज वर्क.
नॉटी
मैम,
वंस.
ऐसा
हाँ, नॉटी बॉयज.
मतलब क्लोन के द्वारा बच्चों को हंसाया जा रहा है, ऐसा सेंस आएगा ना?
नहीं, इस सेंटेंस
नहीं,
का
नहीं,
मतलब
नहीं.
है कि क्लाउन को हंसाया जा रहा है बच्चों के द्वारा.
अच्छा.
बच्चे बहुत शैतान है,
हाँ.
वो क्लाउन को
हंसा
अपनी
रहे
एक्टिविटी
हैं.
से हंसा रहे हैं.
वो अपनी एक्टिविटी से खुद ही हंसा रही हैं बच्चों को.
अच्छा.
यस, हर्षा.
The Johns having the Johns ही है ना? The Johns are having dinner.
ओके, बोर्शा.
Have been are have been होना चाहिए.
Johns are having dinner.
Johns are having dinner. Harsha, बिल्कुल ठीक था, but why you are not speaking confidently? Huh? The Johns are having dinner. Up now, why are? Why are? This is my question. Why are?
ये all are Jones.
Yes, because see, guys. If I don't want to suppose my full name is Komal Gupta. Okay, so every member in my family are the Guptas.
Guptas.
So what I can say, instead of writing all the members of Gupta, yeah, I can write the Guptas. The Guptas. The Guptas का मतलब ही क्या हो गया? All the members of the Gupta family. So all अगर सारे आ गए तो it becomes a plural. So that's why we are using are. Okay? Yes, Preeti?
The baby fed by its mother. The baby is being fed
Very good. The
by
baby
its
is
mother.
being fed by its mother. Yes. Mursha?
The photographer is taking their photo.
The photographer is taking their photo. Very good. Yes. Devyani, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Hmm.
The children is
Child is
the
being
children
fed
is
by his
no
mother. The child is being
the
helped by
child
his
is the child is being
नहीं
helped
question mark है
by
ना madam
Help.
Okay. Borsha?
The child is being helped by his mother.
but this is a question, ma'am.
This is a
question
question
mark
mark,
है.
guys. This is a
Oh,
question
is
mark.
is being
Yes.
helped
is the child
Is the
is
child
the child
being
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 helped
helped
by
helped
his
by
mother?
his mother.
by
Is the
his
Is
mother?
the
child
child
being
being helped?
helped by his mother? क्या चाइल्ड
Interrogative.
को हेल्प किया जा रहा है उसकी मदर के द्वारा? ओके, क्या चाइल्ड को हेल्प किया जा रहा है? Is the child being helped? Okay, done. Okay, so last quiz done after that. Okay, guys, just a moment. Okay, so now this quiz is entirely based on the present perfect. Present perfect. But as per the Harsha demand, first we will go to discuss the rules. Okay, now what is the rule of making the present perfect in active voice?
Subject
Subject
plus
plus
have
have
plus V3
V3.
V3
plus
form
object.
plus
Object.
object. ठीक है, अब now you have to convert into the passive, then object का subject, then
Have been.
has been or have been.
Have been.
Have been or has been, then V3 form, then object का subject.
Subject.
ठीक है, चलो let's start. My sister and her husband. Yes, Borsha. B verb है bracket में.
are has
My sister, husband.
Which voice it is?
May I try that?
Active voice.
Active voice. तो simple है, has have का use करो Borsha.
My sister and her husband have been together.
Being
Been, ठीक है, क्योंकि देखो B का था, V3 form क्या होता है? What is the V3 form of B? Been.
Been.
Okay, so this is not the passive voice wala been. This is an active voice. Okay, my sister and her husband have been together for years.
Yeah.
Harsha.
he has been
ब्रैकेट में वर्ब क्या है? गो. डूअर के साथ स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना हर्षा दिस सेंटेंस, तो कौन से वॉइस में बनेगा? एक्टिव में।
Active. He um, he has
ही के
went
साथ हैज और हैव
Mexico.
में से लगाओ।
He has went.
V3 फॉर्म,
No.
V3 फॉर्म, V3 फॉर्म।
He has gone to Mexico.
हाँ, चला गया इतनी देर में तो वो मैक्सिको। हाँ, ही हैज गॉन टू मैक्सिको। ठीक है, ही हैज गॉन टू मैक्सिको, सिंपल। सब्जेक्ट हैज, हैव एंड V3।
Yes.
प्रीति।
Yes. The house at last. The house has been built at last.
वेरी गुड। द हाउस हैज बीन बिल्ट। हाउस
Has been built.
हैज बीन बिल्ट। हाउस फाइनली बन गया है। हाउस फाइनली बन गया है। यस, Porsha. Devyani, you have to switch on your video if you really want to participate. Otherwise, it would be
Yes.
very difficult for me.
Yes, ma'am.
What has been?
Yes, Porsha.
War
I
has
have
declared.
finished my work.
Porsha.
War has declared.
War
Has been declared.
has been declared. War has been declared. War declared की गई
हो
है।
गई, की गई,
हो गई है।
हो
War
चुकी है
has
भाई,
been declared. हो चुकी है, ये भी बोल
हो
सकते।
चुकी है।
हर्षा।
Oh my God, war has been declared.
That bank never been robbed.
That bank
Have never been
has never been robbed. Has never been. Very
has
good.
been robbed.
Yes, Preeti.
She worked at the same bank for years. She has worked at the same bank for years.
Yes, very good. Devyani.
$6 million okay. $6 million has been stolen from the local bank.
Very good, very good. $6 million has been stolen from the local bank. Porsha.
She has worked as a teacher.
She has worked as a teacher. Yes, Harsha.
That castle has been visited by thousands of tourists.
Very nice, Harsha. That castle has been visited by thousands of the tourists. वो castle visit किया गया है।
Yeah.
अगर सेंटेंस होता थाउजेंड ऑफ टूरिस्ट ने वो कैसल विजिट किया है तो क्या बनाते?
Sub has visited.
पूरा
नहीं,
पूरा सेंटेंस
have visited.
नो नो,
Have.
जस्ट मेक द फुल सेंटेंस।
Thousands of
Thousands of
visited.
tourists have
Thousands of
visited.
tourists has been visited the
नो
castle.
नो
नहीं,
नो,
have visited the
थाउजेंड ऑफ
castle.
टूरिस्ट हैव विजिटेड दैट कैसल।
Have visited. क्योंकि
That-
thousand of tourists हैं.
ठीक है,
Have
मतलब उसको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में बनाते मैम, नहीं है ना?
देखो ये आपको देखना है कि इन विच वॉइस यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट दिस सेंटेंस। Okay, if the doer is there, always make that sentence into the active. तो इस मतलब you have the clarity what is doer. Yes, Porsha.
Hundreds of soldiers have been being killed since
Hundreds
war
of soldiers
have been killed.
hundreds of soldiers have been killed since the war began. Yes, Harsha.
She fall in love with her teacher. She has been fallen in love with her teacher.
She has fallen.
She has
Harsha. She has fallen in love. Simple. She
Doer,
has fallen
she.
in love with her teacher. Because here is a doer ना, कौन fall होगी थी लव के अंदर? She शी इज अ डूअर, शी इज अ डूअर से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, तो सिंपल यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट इनटू सिंपल एक्टिव, देन नो नीड ऑफ बी. प्रीति.
Our neighbors break into. Our neighbor have break into. I. Ma'am.
Break into.
Break
Exclamatory.
into. अच्छा, our neighbors have break into.
Broken.
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 Has
Break का
been.
थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होता है?
Has been broken.
Has been नहीं, have been.
नहीं, sorry, have been. Neighbors have been broken. Sorry,
Our neighbors have been broken
have
in.
been broken.
Broken. What do you mean by break into? Break into means enter.
Enter.
Enter करना.
What is the meaning, ma'am? This sentence?
Enter. Break into का
No,
मतलब
no.
enter करना.
I am talking about whole sentence.
Our neighbors have been entered. हमारे neighbors ने enter कर लिया.
अच्छा, this is passive sentence, na?
This is a passive sentence. Okay. Yes, Devyani.
Yes.
अच्छा, I
The
have
new
confused,
museum,
ma'am.
the
Na
new museum,
break into. That is why.
the new museum has not opened it. Simple present perfect tense, active sentence.
Bursha.
The new museum has not been opened
Has
yet.
not been opened, Devyani.
Yes.
Has not
Mhm.
been opened. The new museum
How?
has not been
The
opened.
new
Because this is not a
बोला
doer.
गया क्योंकि
This is not a doer. New museum is not a doer. New museum तो एक हमारा action है.
what is the both sentence meaning, ma'am? Can you tell me?
The new museum has not been opened yet. Very simple. New museum अभी खोला नहीं गया है.
Or what is the active sentence meaning? What is the different both sentence?
देखो, see, this is a last day. Okay, so this is a passive sentence. This is a passive sentence. You must know how to.
म्यूजियम, मैम म्यूजियम खुद नहीं खुलेगा ना, वो तो
वही मैं कह
खोला
रही हूँ.
ही
देखो
जाएगा.
सी गाइस, इस पैसिव में मतलब होता है when we are doing the emphasize on the receiver, on the object, so then you have to construct that sentence into the passive.
Passive.
यहाँ पर देखो, म्यूजियम क्या है? वो एक एक्शन है. अगर सपोज करो देवयानी सेंटेंस होता, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी ने नया म्यूजियम खोला है. सुनना ध्यान से. प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी ने नया म्यूजियम खोला है, तो क्या बनाओगे? प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी हैज opened the
Opened
new
the
museum.
museum. Yes.
Why? Because there is a doer.
Yes. Yes.
But in this sentence, there is no doer.
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Borsha.
A tiger has captured in a park. A tiger has been captured in a park.
हाँ, मतलब अगर एंटर नहीं प्रेस हो रहा है तो बीन लगा दो. हाँ, बोर्शा. सिंपल. देखो, अगर तुम बोलते हो ना तो टाइगर हैज कैप्चर्ड, इसका मतलब देखो, बार बार मैं कह रही हूँ, मतलब
हाँ.
टाइगर ने कैप्चर किया है.
Yeah.
अरे
पार्क को
टाइगर ने नहीं कैप्चर करा. अगर तब पिक्चर देखो तो
पार्क
टाइगर
में पकड़ा गया.
कैप्चर किया गया है.
Yes,
सो द
sir.
टाइगर हैज बीन
It's
कैप्चर्ड.
been captured.
अगर सपोज करो टाइगर के हाथ में पंजे में एक खरगोश होता, देन इट ठीक था. अ टाइगर हैज कैप्चर्ड अ रैबिट, इट्स ओके. बट यहाँ पर पिक्चर देखो तो शेडो देखो तो इट मींस टाइगर हैज बीन
It's
कैप्चर्ड.
been captured.
हर्षा.
An old lady must win €1 million. An old lady has just won €1 million.
Very nice, very nice. An old lady has just won €1 million. ठीक है, ओल्ड लेडी ने अभी जीते. प्रीति.
They finished the repair on the roof.
Okay.
They finished the repairs on the roof. They have finished
They
the
have finished the
repairs
repairs on the roof.
on the
Very
roof.
good. Devyani,
Yes, ma'am. All the fighters.
Fights.
All the fights. All the fighters.
all the
Flight.
flights.
Fights.
All
On the
flights.
flights.
Yes, all flights have been cancelled because of the strike.
Very nice, Devyani. All flights have been cancelled. सारी flights strike की वजह
Cancel
से
हो गई.
cancel की गई हैं. की गई. ठीक है? Yes, Portia.
Archaeologists have found remains of an ancient city.
Very nice, Archaeologists have found. Harsha.
The
Bye लगा
children,
है Harsha. There is a hint. Bye.
the children have been taught by the same
Very nice.
teacher.
The children have been taught by the same teacher. Preeti.
Millions of children are over the world. Read that book. Millions of children all over the world have read.
Have
Have read. Have read
read.
this.
Read.
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 अच्छा, read. Okay.
Read.
Have read.
Yes, Devyani.
Yes, ma'am. I'm so happy. I am so happy. He has invited me to the fancy dress
Dress
party.
party. Very nice. He has invited because doer is there. He has
Yes.
invited. Okay, Portia.
A painting has been stolen from the museum.
Very good. A painting has been stolen from the museum. Painting चुराई गई है म्यूजियम से. A painting has been stolen. अगर सेंटेंस होता मैंने पेंटिंग चुराई है तो क्या बनाते?
I have stolen.
I have
Okay.
stolen the painting. I
Yes,
have
I
stolen
have
the painting.
stolen. Yes, active voice.
अच्छा इसमें there is no. Okay, done. Okay, guys.